Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send your Dogecoin to your Binance mobile app step by step. Our first step being that you open up your Trust Wallet application and you take note of your Dogecoin available, its equivalent in dollars, and the network you're sending. The network you're sending your Dogecoin is on the BEP20 network. So our next step is to simply minimize our Trust Wallet. Head over to Binance. Once at Binance, we're going to be clicking on the deposit icon right here, and we're going to be searching for Doge. Click on Dogecoin, and then you simply click on BEP20. That's the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've clicked on it, you simply copy the wallet address you possess right here. Once that is copied, you minimize, head back to your Trust Wallet, click on the send icon here, paste the wallet address there, and we're going to be sending $1 worth of Doge. So you click on continue. And then the network fee is shown. So you simply click on this, confirm, and we have 10 Doge on its way to our Binance. So you just simply reload till the transfer is shown as successful, which in turn you would receive on your Binance mobile app right here. It's going to come. The minimum deposit is really low. So yeah, we're going to have some Dogecoin on our wallet. Okay, deposit successful. So our next step is to head over to the wallet at the bottom right corner of the screen. And boom, you can see here we have 10 Doge. It's been deposited directly on our Binance. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send your Dogecoin to your Binance mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.